Mic check, mic check, mic check. You're welcome to Playback Night. My name is Ola Harry, and today we are discussing demand and supply. So let's see how it works. So, guys, don't forget as you're joining us, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash the like button and also like this particular video. Okay, I'll be so glad if you do that. And don't forget that this section is sponsored by bybit. Bybit is our official sponsor for our YouTube. We have three major classes: the beginners class, advanced class, and master class. The beginners class helps those who are just coming into the crypto space to learn how to start trading to become profitable. Okay, so that when you're coming to the trading, you're not coming with less knowledge. You can get your knowledge before you dive into the system. And then for advanced class, for those who have been trading, you need consistent assistance to ensure you know what is going on in the market, so that you can be part of growing community that is knowledgeable, that will make you more informed about what's going on in the market. So advanced class is very good, and the master class is where we make money. Okay, and for the month of April, our advanced class is free. Yeah, it's actually free for everyone, but there's something you need to do before you to be able to qualify to join our masterclass. What do you need to do? Very simple. You need to ensure that you use my link. I'm going to put the link in the description. Use my link, my Bybit link, to sign up your Bybit account, right? So I'm going to be giving you $10 airdrop to trade only BTC. Okay, $10 airdrop to trade only BTC, and make sure that before you qualify to join our masterclass, you fund your account with minimum of at least 50 USDT. You can fund as much as you want to, and the more you fund, the more bonus you get. Yes, so that's exactly how it is. Maybe you do that, just send me a WhatsApp message, then you'll be able to join the masterclass. You will get signals. We won't have training for the masterclass Tuesdays and Thursdays. Like today, by 8 p.m. West African time, we're going to have our masterclass training. Okay, how you enter signal, how you manage your trade, how you ensure that you don't overtrade, or all those beautiful knowledge, to ensure that it's assisting you regularly to make profit. Okay, so that's just about our masterclass. And if you want to join, you already know how you're going to join the masterclass. Now today, don't forget, let's quickly dive into today's topic. And let's see how this will be something very great for us to be part of. So guys, don't forget, as you're joining me, please drop your location in the comment section. Then I will mention you just for part of recognition. Drop your location as you're joining us. Thank you very much as you come around. Okay, so we're talking about demand and supply, and there's a way you have to look at the market in a very simple way. I don't want to complicate things, because don't forget that this particular class is an advanced class. Okay, it's free for all. We share ideas. We also do different things in terms of crypto investments, trading, and the likes. We do all that. So you can join the Telegram channel to see all that. I'm going to put the link in the description. Now, when it comes to demand and supply, to make things very, very simple, this is what you need to do. You only need to understand higher highs, higher lows. Finish. You also want to know when the market reverses, when the market is taking a U-turn, so you can make better quality decisions. And hear me out. When you're trading demand and supply, always do that on the higher time frame. It is very, very important to know that when you're trading demand and supply, you have to do that on the higher time frame. So we're going to look at the charts, some couple of charts, either BTC, Ethereum, and other altcoins. Let's see how this actually always play out. Okay, it's very important we know how it usually play out, and I'm very sure that you will see how easy it is. Very, very, very easy. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the chat and let's see how we can make this happen. So guys, follow me as we continue to understand how this work. Okay, so let's go to our trading view. Yeah, so on the trading view, let me show you guys higher highs, higher lows, because this is the best and easy way to trade. Don't stress yourself. Okay, so let's start with BTC. Let's start with BTC. Okay, so we can see this on BTC, right? We can see this. So let me clear all these lines. So guys, don't forget, as you're joining us, drop your location. Okay, so let's clear all the lines. So we have a clean line. Don't forget, when we're talking about demand and supply, it's better you do that on the higher time frame. Okay, now before I conclude on this, let me give you an idea on how the market is being represented. So when it comes to demand and supply, you're looking. Okay, let me move out my pencil so I can properly illustrate. Okay, so we have this like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so if you see this, you will say this is what? An uptrend. Okay, uptrend. Then we have higher highs, higher lows. Okay, higher lows. Okay, now you have to see the entire trend, the entire platform as a trend, right? And now, depending on how you want to go about this is very, very important when it comes to trading. You see, on the higher time frame, you can see clearly, but on the lower time frame, you can see a lot of, let's say, you can see different noise. The candles are coming out differently. Okay, and how are you able to determine when to start? Okay, are you able to determine what you're doing? Are you able to determine how you want to go about your trade to ensure you maintain a very good profit? Yes, that's very, very important. Now, this trend, this demand and supply, let's look BTC. Let's see what is really going on. Okay, so I usually recommend 4 hours time frame or 1 day time frame. Okay, so that you can collapse the. Now look at this. We have uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. You see, so already when you see this simply means this uptrend around this level, the uptrend has been broken. Okay, the uptrend has been broken. So definitely here you want to consider a lower area, right? You see, any market is about demand and supply. Okay, somebody is buying, somebody is selling. How are they buying? What volume are they buying? What volume are they selling? So at the point, demand will go low, and at the point, supply will go higher. And when supply goes higher, what happens? The market drops because a lot of people are selling off automatically. So you also want to follow that. You want to be able to follow that trend. Yes, you want to be able to follow that trend. And don't forget that for BTC, we have investors and we also have traders. We have investors, we also have traders. Now, for investors, what are they doing? They want to ensure that they are buying at the cheapest price and they are able to sell at the what? Higher price for them to make substantial profits. It's as simple as that. You see? So, as a trader, if you are not an investor, but I always advise that if you're a trader, it's also very good. You also play in the aspect of investments. Okay, always play on the aspect of investments, because this help you to ensure that you are able to, acquire BTC more, but acquire more BTC and make more money as you acquire the BTC, right? Okay, so looking at this, you can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and you can see at this point there was a break. Let's say there was a U-turn. Okay, now so let's go up. Now what can we see? What can we see? Right? So here, let's start from here. Can you see that? So we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then here you can see that we have something like a W. Okay, right? Yes. So here automatically you can see we already have a reversal. Now let's look at it. Immediately this reversal happens, this place, up, down, up, right? Apparently you don't even know if the uptrend has started, okay, until you have this continuous uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back. Can you see? Then we have this, this is what we call this place recovery area. Okay, this place, can you see? This is the end of an uptrend, right? And after the downtrend, we have uptrend all the way to recover this, right? Okay, so looking at this, apparently you're going to put your horizontal line here and see where it really breaks. You can see that around that area it has been broken, right? Okay, so then the uptrend continues, uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back, right? So let's go to the lower time frame and let's allow all these candles to be well spelled out. At least we already indicate that this is a strong uptrend. Then let's go to 4H, 4 hours. On the 4 hours time frame, what can we see? So let's quickly analyze this. You'll see that this is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, so look at this. So here we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Then we can see this consolidation, right? Okay, so let's mark it out. So let's bring this here. That's consolidation. Okay, then let's also mark the top. Yeah, can you see? So instantly we saw that breakout, the breakout of this top, and it continues the uptrend, right? Okay, so here we have another consolidation around here. So let's mark it out. So here you can see BTC. Yes, and we also have this. Okay, now as we speak, we can see that the uptrend structure, okay, is already breaking down. The uptrend structure is breaking down. Right? So that tells you what? That we are already on a downtrend, and the downtrend still continues as I speak. Okay, now to be specific about, if you have to take a trade, you must take a stand. And so let's see the stand now. So you can see this uptrend is already taking a U-turn, as I explained. Don't forget, as I explained, you can see that on the higher time frame it's giving us the entire structure, right? So here, downtrend. Okay, so how far? The question is, how far will this downtrend continue? Let's see. Let's have an idea of what's going on here. So you can see it has already broken this place, the neckline. Okay, we've broken the neckline. Initially it broke the neckline, but there was recovery. Can you see? To the upside, but the recovery didn't continue. You can see. So we still decide to what? Drop in that light. Now the question is, will BTC continue to drop? Let's see the possibility. Now you can see that here is already served as resistance, is now serving as support. This area here, this place. Okay, so that means that this line, the line I drew just now, the line is very important. That line is very important. So that means that if BTC close below this line, automatically the downtrend still continues. Why? Because that line is it has confluence with previous trend. Now look at the trend here. Can you see? Okay, look at the trend here. Can you see that? So that's the line between the uptrend and the downtrend. This line speaks a lot. You see that? This line speaks a lot, right? That is the line between the uptrend and the downtrend. That simply means that if BTC breaks to that line all the way, and looking at this, you can understand that BTC hasn't closed below that line. Okay, that line is very important, I can assure you, right? It hasn't closed below that line, but I think it might close below the line, but I'm not sure until it happens. BTC needs to close below that line. When you close below that line, guys, go in hard with your sell position. I can assure you, you're going to make a lot of profit, right? Okay, so that's just the way it is. You know, BTC is dominates the crypto markets, right? And if you can get BTC analysis right, then you can make a lot of money from the crypto space. I can assure you of that. This is how to make money from the crypto space. Just make sure that you understand how BTC works, and you're good. Okay, you are good. Now let's continue this. Let's see. Now, since we already identified this, then we have to wait until BTC breaks this line before we take action. Now the question is, what if BTC doesn't break this line and BTC continue to the upside? What should happen? How should we continue to trade, right? So for now, the only thing we're looking at, because for you to conclude that there will be an uptrend, so that you don't get deceived, you don't fall victim of fake breakout. If you don't want to fall victim of fake breakout, then I can assure you that for you to consider an uptrend, then BTC needs to close, if you agree with me, needs to close above this line. Can you see that? BTC needs to close above 29,338. Yes, and you know, if you look at the margin, that's a lot. That is a lot. Now, if you are trading long at this time, is very risky. So I will advise that when you're trading any long position, make sure you set stop loss. Okay, I know that manipulation is coming and it will happen, but for now I still remains bearish on BTC. Okay, so there's been a lot of conversation around, BTC is just correcting, there's correction that is going on, and let's see how far that will go. Okay, well, anyways, let's see if it's going to correct. After all, it has been pumping in the previous weeks. So if you say it's still correcting, then let's go. Don't forget that we have 4 sections, and the most important section in crypto, yes, very active sessions, is Tokyo sessions and New York session. New York session is very crazy. I can assure you that New York session is one of the most active session in crypto, because it happens to deal with a lot of US dollars. You know, we value almost all the entire crypto is valued in USD, right? So automatically it has US economy has a very strong impact. Okay, very strong impact on the market. So that's the reason why the New York session is very vital. And from the Tokyo session, you see, I can assure you that Tokyo session has a lot of volume. They have the volume, what it takes. Okay, So if that's it, so let's quickly go. Let's now do what we call top-down analysis. Let us check the lower time frame and let's see what we have. Okay, so let's go here. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, we can spot more candles. We can be able to, identify what is really going on, right? We can do that. So that's why we have this. So we can see that from here, you can see the double top, okay, for BTC. Then we have this downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback. So let's see. So the pullback starts from here. Then the pullback starts from here. Let's see. Yeah, somewhere here. Yes, can you see that? Now you can see as we speak, we have downtrend, we have pullback, then downtrend, right? So automatically it makes this place a double bottom, but it's not well spelled out yet. It's not well spelled out yet. So if you want to trade as we speak, you can see that this line is very, very vital, right? So immediately we are closing below this line, then we are considering short position. That's what we're going to consider, because if it closes, then I can assure you the downtrend will continue. Yes, the downtrend will continue. And don't forget that if BTC is going down, majority of all the altcoins are also going to be on a downtrend. That is how it plays out. Okay, they are going to be on a downtrend, as you can see how it happens. So here we are waiting. We have to wait. Now there is news. I think there should be news today. Let's check what news do we have, because most of the US news always have higher impact on the market. So let's see. Let's go to investing.com. That's where we always check our news based on the calendar. Yeah, based on the calendar, and we are able to see clearly the news. And then let's see. So today, 1:30, we have Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. We also have initial jobless claims. We also have existing home sales. So all this will happen. These two news will happen by 1:30. We also have another news by 3. Okay, so though this on the investor.com, they're telling us that this news is a bullish news. Okay, so let's see how the impact will go on the market. We really can't tell if it will be up or down for now until then. So I always advise that when the news is coming, move out of the market, no matter how juicy it is. And if you don't want to move out of the market, make sure you set stop loss and don't forget, take profits. Okay, because sometimes you will make profits and at the end of the day the profit will go down all the way. So make sure that whenever news is coming, always set your TP. There used to be a lot of manipulation. Market will go up, come down, go up, come down. So it all depends on how you want to go about it. Okay, so that's just for that. So let's check on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you're going to spot more candles, and this is where I always look for my own entry when I'm trading. So let's see. Okay, yeah, you can see that along this area here, the BTC has been what? Consolidating. Yes, you can see that it's been what? Consolidating. So up like this. So we have up, down, up, down. So what is going to happen? Okay, so let's conclude on this. Though since yesterday the market has been on a strong bearish movement, right? But that is not enough to conclude that this will break out. Okay, don't forget, when you're trading breakout, you need to wait for a retest so as to avoid fake breakout, right? And sometimes it's very, very crazy. In short, it just give you one very big bullish candle and everybody goes to sleep. Yeah, sometimes the market will not even give you time to retest. Yes, just like this market. Look at this. So around this area here, look at this. So we had this. Can you see that? Then we have this. Yes. So the market is consolidating between up, down, up, down, up, down. Just a little bit of uptrend, thinking there will be a bounce. Man, look at what happened. No time for retests. It was just a long bullish candle. And if you get that, then you're lucky. Okay? If you are able to catch that trend, man, bravo to you. Okay? So that's it. That's just the way it is. Okay? Yeah. So, and for this, I will still advise, okay, if you have to go short around this arena here, okay, or even as we speak, you can still go short, right? Then if the market close above this, close the trade. Don't forget, always follow your rules. Don't trade by luck. That is not advisable. Don't trade by luck. Yeah. Then if it comes down here, okay, definitely you know we are on a downtrend. You get what I mean? We're on a downtrend. So your number one decision should be a downtrend. Yeah, should be that you want to short the market. Okay. So and don't forget to set your take profits. Set take profits. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so having said that, let's quickly check on Ethereum and let's see. I always regard BTC and Ethereum analysis as the same. Okay, but let me help you mark the region for breakouts. So you can see that for BTC, this is the breakout level. Can you see the breakout, right? The breakout is somewhere here at 28,704. And for Ethereum, the breakout is sitting around here. Okay, you can see Ethereum has been consolidating up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so we have the breakout arena around 1,947. So that's it. Okay, so you can see that if you try as much as you can, if there's a breakout here, okay, you need to set your TP, because I think the market is so dynamic at this time. You have to be very patient and be very vigilant. So that's just the way it is. So guys, don't forget, if you have any question, drop your questions. Guys, drop your questions. Let me take more questions from you guys. And don't forget, as you're joining us, click the like button. Smash the like button as you're joining us. I'll be so glad if you do that. Smash the like button. Okay, that will make YouTube recommend this particular live stream to more people on YouTube. Okay, don't you want that to happen? I believe you want that to happen. So thank you very much for clicking on the like button. Yeah, so any question, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. So let's see how that works. So we have Adejoke from Ebonyi. How are you, Adejoke from Ebonyi? Yeah, we also have MC Kenny from Worry. You're welcome, MC Kenny from Worry. Okay, yeah, we also have Theophilus from Lagos. You're welcome, Theophilus. We also have, okay, so guys, thank you very much. Now don't forget that we have 3 major classes: beginners class, advanced class, and master class. And for the month of April, we are giving you free, can you imagine that, free master class? Yes, for the month of April. So guys, it's still much more early for you to join us in the masterclass. And I already mentioned how you qualify. So guys, don't forget you can also drop your coins. If you want me to do analysis based on your coins, you can drop them. Let's start from there. If you have any coins you want me to do analysis, kindly drop your coins if you want me to do analysis for you. Okay, so you've already seen Ethereum breakout, so we're waiting for that to happen. Then let's go into this. Yeah, so let's filter. So let's check ANT. Okay, don't forget when you want to trade, you want to place your trade, is usually very good to start from the higher time frame, and you have to look at the higher time frame from time to time because things change. Okay, yeah, so that you can get yourself to up to date to what is really going on with your charts. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, what can we see? Yeah, can you see? You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So let's see. Now look at this region here. Okay, then higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, all the way here. So here we can see that U-turn. Okay, you can see that U-turn. Yeah, that's like a double top. So if you want to trade this, yeah, that's it. Then we also have this. Okay, so what you're expecting this to break out of here, breakout, retest, then downtrend. Okay, yeah. So let's see if we have similar issue here. Yeah, so look at this. We have similar issue here. Okay, we also have this. Okay, can you see that? So it didn't break to the downside, it broke to the upside, as you can see already. Yeah. Okay, so let's see another similar situation here. So here, yeah, this looks like a fake breakout. Yes. And that's the reason why it's very important for you to always wait for a retest. Can you see that fake breakout? It's very important to always wait for a retest. So we also have this. Okay, so you can see it broke to the upside. Yeah, you can see after it break uptrend, pull back, uptrend. That's it. So here it actually broke out. By the time it retest back, then, but let's look at this on the lower time frame. I would really love to see what really transpired here. It's very important. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, now look at what happened here. Yeah, let's zoom very well. Okay, yeah, very good. Yeah, I think I'm actually very used to trading coins like this. So though this is actually profitable, yeah, there's a lot of profit here. Okay, so we have breakout, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so this is a lot of profit if you have higher leverage. Then we have this up, down, then up. You can see, so it's coming back to this region. Okay, you can see that's a reversal, right, from the downtrend. Then it came into this place. Okay, it came into this place. We have uptrend, pullback, uptrend. So let's see. Yeah, you can see I'm from there up all the way, up all the way. Okay, so just try to understand how this thing works, and I can assure you that you're good. So here, as we speak, 1 minute. yeah, my check, guys. Okay, so let's see. So for us to conclude on that, so sorry about that. Let's see. So to conclude on that, conclude on that. So let me go to the higher time frame so I can clear what's going on there. Okay, so here you can see we have a U-turn already, right? So if you have to trade anything here, you have to wait for a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. You see that? So that's a smart way to trade. So on the lower time frame, 1 hour, let's check what's going on. Okay, so you can see how it's moving. Okay, but it's very ideal to wait for, because when you're trading, you have to be sure that yes, this is what's going to happen, so that you reduce the level at which you're guessing, and the level at which you want to place your trade to ensure that you make profit. So on the lower time frame, so let's see. So this is it. So just wait till this coin get to where you want it to get to, and for you to make your final decision. Okay, so that's for ants. Yeah, so guys, that will be it for today. I hope you guys learned something from demand and supply. Don't forget higher highs, higher lows, lower high. So that's exactly how it works. Okay, it's as simple as that. So guys, don't forget we have 3 classes, and I've already mentioned that. And if you want to join the master class, just send message to either Telegram or WhatsApp. I will be there to attend to you. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.